Hi, my name is Charinette Gamboa, and I'm from Northern California in the Sacramento area. And how I heard about M.E.E.T was actually through my husband. This was 2017 during our courtship. He was telling me that he was going on a missionary training here in Tennessee. So moving forward, what brought me here now is due to a lot of accumulated stress in my life being a psychiatric nurse practitioner. I developed so much stress that it was affecting my GI tract. I was having constant diarrhea, headache, tension everywhere, and to the point that I actually had to resign from my work. And God was convicting me that I needed to reset my health, my mental, and my spiritual. And so when we got an opportunity to, have a chance to come here, my husband with my mother-in-law, I was just really excited to just reset and recharge. And so the experience I've received thus far is so beneficial. The knowledge I've gained as a result is so important, and I'm just so excited to go back home and to be able to apply what I've learned. We actually had to sign a Temperance Certificate stating that, of this date, I've dedicated my whole body to God. This is His temple. I want to do what He wants me to do. And if I fall and have a misstep, there's a verse in the Bible that says a righteous man may fall 7 times. So 7 times, which is a symbolism of, perfection. So I thank God for their encouragement from each of the workers here. How they encourage us to continue drinking the juices even though it wasn't palatable at the beginning. But as you continue drinking the juices here and the different teas, your palate and your taste buds actually change. And then you're able to realize, oh wow, I'm tasting carrots or beets or cabbage, whatever it may be, more than when I first came. And so I just want to encourage each and every one, if you've never had a chance to reset, this is the time. And this is a time also for God's image to be restored back, I believe. And so I'm excited to go back home, use the tools that I've learned, and I just hope that you can come and experience this. I just want to challenge each and every one of you to come to M.E.E.T Ministry, get this rejuvenating experience that will change your life.